Come test drive the 2018 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, tires front all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.